Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how to pay Tabby on Amazon store. So guys, go to amazon.ie and choose any product you want to purchase. But before this, you should be logging your account, guys. From sign in, from here, log in your account with your information and check, go to product, choose this product for example. And after that, for example, this product, guys, and go to add to cart or buy now. After that, guys, look in an account and then you see this option, guys, pay overtime with Tabby or pay with Tabby. Choose this one, pay with overtime with Tabby, and complete the steps. And here you have this zero interest, no hidden charge. This is how you can do, guys. Just choose any product from Amazon store and complete these steps from here and choose the amount you want to purchase. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question, guys, then below in the comment and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. This is how you can do, guys.